Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I needed to share something with you guys today that Cricut is having their big Cricut Access exclusive sale. That means if you are a Cricut Access subscriber, you're going to get some additional sale discounts, okay? So you automatically get 10% off if you're an Access subscriber on anything you purchase at Cricut.com, right? But for the next few days, you also get an additional 30% off except for machines, totes, bulk, clearance, your Access subscription, or any digital images. But all the other things, all the iron-on, all the mats, all the tools, all of that stuff, you're going to get an additional 30% off plus your 10%. Now, if you use my special promo code SMQD and you have $50 or more in product in your shopping cart before you check out, you're going to get another 10% off. So you're going to end up with very close to 50% off of items that you purchase just for being a Cricut Access subscriber. There's some other things that are on sale. Those new machine totes are on sale, and Cricut Access members are going to get them for $129, but if you use my promo code, you're going to get it for about $111 and some change. So also there's some great deals on the Cricut Maker machines, low prices. There's some bundle deals going on. You need to check that out if you're still considering getting a Cricut Maker. Now this sale is only for Cricut Access subscribers, okay? And it's only going to be around for just a few days, like I said. If you are not currently a Cricut Access subscriber, sorry about that, I hit the wrong button. Let's talk about that. You could go ahead and subscribe now. What does that mean to be an Access subscriber? A Cricut Access subscriber gets access to over 400 fonts in Design Space, plus about 60,000 images in Design Space for you to use. It's a subscription service, so you use it for however long your subscription is. Plus, you're going to get 10% savings on any product purchase that you make at Cricut.com, and that includes machines, accessories, materials, and more, including sale items. Okay, that's part of your subscription. You also get an additional 10% off of premium licensed fonts, images, and ready-to-make projects, and even the like Disney and Hello Kitty and Simplicity and Anna Griffin and all of those. Okay, and you get priority member care line 50% less wait time. Okay, so that is if you have a Cricut Access subscription. That is the basic benefit that you get, and that you can have it either on a monthly basis for $9.99 a month, so that's only $10. You're probably spending more than that on getting SVGs and buying fonts and everything. This gives you all these extra discounts. Plus, you can do it on an annual basis, so you pay it on a yearly basis, and it ends up bringing it down to about $7.99 a month, but you pay for the year, which is, I think, $95.88. You get all of what I just talked about. And there's even a premium level subscription. The premium level subscription gets you to it's $119.89, but it's only billed on the yearly basis, but you get some additional benefits. So you get everything that I just talked about, plus instead of 10% off of, you get 50% off licensed fonts, images, and ready-to-make products instead of 10%, okay? And you get free economy shipping on orders over $50 every time you order at Cricut.com. And of course, you still get the priority member care, 50% less wait time. So if you're not already a subscriber, now is the time. Sign up for a subscription right now. I have a link in the description of the video. Go sign up and then do your shopping during this exclusive Cricut Access sale. You're not going to end up with seeing this unless you're a Cricut Access member, and you will end up with close to 50% off of what you buy. Now's the time to stock up. You've done all your holiday crafting. I'm sure you ran out of stuff. Now it's time to go ahead and grab some supplies while you can and get in on these awesome deals. Let me know if you have any questions. I've got links in the description of the video for you. Thanks for using my links when you make your purchase. Be sure if you do have $50 or more in your Cricut shopping cart, please use my promo code SMQD01 and that will get you an additional 10% off plus free shipping. Talk to you guys later.